Brain fog in the morning. If you wake up tired, unfocused, or mentally slow, the cause may be simpler than you think. Brain fog is a feeling many people experience today. Difficulty concentrating, low mental energy, feeling slow, unfocused even after sleep, stress, sleep, and nutrition all play a role, but hydration can also be part of the picture. Your brain is about 75% water. Even mild dehydration can affect concentration and mental performance. During sleep, your body doesn't receive fluids for several hours. This means many people wake up slightly dehydrated. One simple habit may help. Before coffee or breakfast, drink 1 glass of water. This helps your body rehydrate after sleep and supports your natural energy levels. Many people notice clearer thinking when they start their day hydrated. Hydration alone will not solve every cause of fatigue, but simple habits can make a real difference over time. If you often experience brain fog, try starting your day with water and observe how you feel. This is Hydrate Life Hub. Simple hydration habits for calm energy.